Welcome back to our mathematics class, the second lesson in our arithmetic progression. If you are a new member on this channel and you have not gone through our previous class, kindly click the link below at the comment section to watch the past video and then continue with us in this series. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. For our usual member, do not forget to share and like the video. Now, let's dive in. Example 1. Two APs have the same first and last terms. The first AP has 21 terms with a common difference of 9. How many terms has the other AP if its common difference is 4? Don't forget, on the nth time of an AP, that says un or tn equals to a plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket d. This is the nth time of an AP. Now, two APs have the same first and last terms. Okay, let's say the first AP has a first term. Let the first term be A. First term equals to A. Don't forget, we use A to represent our first term equals to A. And they also have the same last term. Let our last term un equals to un. Fine. So the first AP has 21 terms. Do not forget the meaning of terms. That is our n equals to 21. That is the first AP. With a common difference of 9, our d equals to 9. From this formula, our n is 21, so u21 is equals to our first term remain a plus our n is 21 minus 1, our d is 9. So we have u21 equals to a plus 21 minus 1, we have 20. So 20 multiplied by 9, that is what? 180. Now, let's call this equation 1. This is for the first AP. Now, the second AP, from this first sentence, two APs have the same first term and last term, meaning that the first term here is TA, and the last term un equals to un. Now, this second sentence, the first AP, is talking about the first AP. Second AP, how many terms has the other AP? That's the second AP. How many terms? When they say how many terms, they refer to the number of terms, and in this case is unknown, as the other AP. If its common difference is 4, our D equals to 4. Likewise, from this given formula, UN equals to our A here, first term is A, plus our number of term is unknown, that's what we are looking for, minus 1, our D is 4. That is UN equals to A plus 4 times N, 4N minus 4 times 1, 4. Let's say equation 2. Don't forget, from the first sentence, two APs have the same first and last terms. Since they have the same first and last term, so which means that this U21 is going to be equals to UN. We equate it, U21 equals to UN. Our U21 here we have A plus 180 is equals to our UN here we have A plus 4N minus 4. Now here we have A, take this A here, minus A, then take this plus 4n here, minus 4n, unknown to the left, is equals to minus 4. Let this plus 180 meet this minus 4, the known. And plus 180 crosses equals to what? Minus 180. Plus A minus A cancelled. We are going to be left with minus 4n equals to minus 4 minus 180. We have minus 184. Now, I need my n. I have to divide both sides by minus 4. Minus 4n over minus 4 is equal to 184 over minus 4. Minus goes in minus, 4 goes in 4. N is equal to minus goes in minus. So we're going to have 2 here, 2. 2 here, we have 92. 2 here, 1, 2 here, we have 46. So the number of terms here is 46. Now they say how many terms? The number of terms here is what? 46. 2. Determine the number of the 10, which is 83. In the AP, 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on. To determine the number of 10 means the n, which is 83. 83 means the last sequence here is going to be 83, meaning the last 10. Okay? If that is the case, from here, we can get our first term a to be equal to 3. Then the next thing is to find our common difference. That is T2 minus T1, and T2 here is 8 minus 3, which gives 5. What to determine the number of term n is unknown. Now, given the last term to be 83. So from here, applying our formula, un is equal to a plus open brackets n minus 1 close brackets d. Our un is 83 is equal to our first term 3 plus our number of term is n minus 1. Our d is 5. So 83 is equal to 3 plus open bracket 5 times n. 5n minus 5 times 1, 5. So from here, I have 83 is equals to 3 minus 5 plus 5n. 83 is equals to 3 minus 5, I have minus 2 plus 5n. Let's minus 2 meet 83 since they did not have n. So we're going to have 83. When minus 2 crosses, changes to plus 2 is equals to 5n. 83 plus 2, I have 85 is equals to 5n. To get my n, I have to divide both sides by this 5. 85 divided by 5 is equals to 5n divided by 5. 5 goes in 5. So my n equals to 5 here 1. 5 in 8, I have 1. Remainder 3. 5 in 35, I have 7. So which means that n equals to 17. So the number of terms is going to be equals to 17. Example 3. The formula for the nth term of a sequence is given as 9 minus 4n. Question A. Show that the sequence is an AP. Question B. Write down the first 4 terms of the sequence. Solution. Question A. Show that the sequence is an AP. For us to show that this sequence is an AP, definitely they must have the same common difference. Okay? Our nth term has been given to us equals to 9 minus 4n. Because if the nth term, which is the last term, is 9 minus 4n, then the term before the last term, the term before the last term is going to be 1 less than the number of terms that we have. 1 less than the number of terms. So, okay, let us now look at the term. If the nth term, meaning the last term, is 9 minus 4n. Okay, what of the term that come before the last term? Okay, we now have, let's substitute this one into this. We're going to have 9 minus 4 brackets. This n minus 1 will substitute into this place. N minus 1. So we have 9 minus 4 times n. We have 4n. Minus 4 times minus 1 plus 4. So we have 9 plus 4 minus 4n equals to 9 plus 4. We have 13 minus 4n. So this is the formula. Now, The formula of the term before the last term will be equal to 13 minus 4n. 13 minus 4n. So the nth term, meaning the formula of the nth term is 9 minus 4n. Then the formula before the nth term is 13 minus 4n. And that one is gotten by what? N minus 1. So a term before the last term will be one less than the number of terms. While the one before n minus 1 is going to be n minus 2. Okay, let's check it out this way. The term before n minus 1 will be equal to n minus 2. Okay, let us now substitute this into the nth term to get the formula of the term before the n minus 1. The formula of the term before the n minus 1 term will be equals to, we have 9 minus 4n. So anywhere I see n, I substitute this. So I have 9 minus 4 brackets n minus 2. So we have 9 this times this minus 4n this times this plus 8. So we have 9 plus 8 minus 4n, which is equal to 17 minus 4n. Now, if I want to arrange my number of terms now, the first term, the last term, it is the last term. The term before this is this, and the term before this one is this. So I can have 17 minus 4n. Then I have 13 minus 4n. Then I have 9 minus 4n. There can be some term before all this. Now from here, I can get my common difference between these. Since we know that our common difference, d, will be equal to the second term minus first term, that is 13 minus 4n minus 17 minus 4n. So you have to put this in brackets. So I have 13 minus 4n. This times this, I have 17. Minus times this, I have minus 17. Minus times minus plus 4n. So from here, I'm going to have 13 minus 17 minus 4n plus 4n. Minus 4n plus 4n has cancelled. 13 minus 17, I'm going to have minus 4. My common difference is minus 4. Fine. Now also, my d can also be equal to the last term there, 9 minus 4n, then minus this second term, 13 minus 4n. In brackets, I have 9 minus 4n, minus times this, minus 13, minus times minus, plus 4n. So I am collecting like terms. I have 9 minus 13 minus 4n plus 4n. Minus 4n plus 4n cancelled. So 9 minus 13, I'm going to have minus 4. Since the common difference is the same, since the common difference are the same, minus 4 minus 4, therefore the formula 9 minus 4n is an AP. From now, to write down the first 4 terms of the sequence, we go back to this question. The formula of the nth term of the sequence, our nth term of that sequence equals to 9 minus 4n. And we know that our nth term un equals to a plus, open bracket, n minus 1, close bracket, d. So which means this nth term is equal to 9 minus 4n will be here. Don't forget that this is the formula for nth term or the last term. And the nth term is being given as 9 minus 4. So here we have 9 minus 4n. Then equals to a plus, then our number of term here remains n minus 4 minus 1. Our d, that is what? Our common difference that we got, minus 4. 9 minus 4n equals to a plus minus 4 times n minus 4n minus 4 times minus 1 plus 4. So we have 9 minus 4n equals to a plus times minus 4n plus times plus 4. So we have 9. Okay, let me put the unknown to the left. We have minus 4n. This will come here plus 4n. Let this one moves in, minus a equals to 4. Let this 9 moves out, minus 9. Minus 4n plus 4n cancelled. I'm going to be left with minus a equals to 4 minus 9. I will have minus 5. Minus goes in minus, a equals to 5. My first term now is 5, and my common difference is given as minus 4. Now I want to now write down my first 4 terms of the sequence. The first term is written as a. The second term as a plus d, as we have proven before. The third term, a plus 2d, and the fourth term, a plus 3d. So my first term here, a, that is 5. Then my second term, a plus, my common difference is minus 4. Then here, a plus 2 times minus 4. Then here, a plus 3 times minus 4. So we have 5. And don't forget, my a that I've been talking about here is 5. 5 plus and minus, minus 4. 5 plus and minus, minus 8. Then 5 minus 12. So here we have 5, comma, 5 minus 1, we have 1. 5 minus 8, we have minus 3. 5 minus 12, so I have minus 7. Now, this is the first 4 terms of the sequence. In an AP, the difference between the 8th and 4th term is 20, and the 8th term is 1 whole number 1 over 2 times the 4th term. Find the A common difference, B first term of the sequence. Now, this question is very simple, but we need to interpret it according to how it is being written. Now, in an AP, the difference, when we say difference between, difference means minus. The difference between the 8th and the 4th term. Don't forget, our general formula UN equals to A plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket d. So, the difference between the 8th term, U8, that is when n is 8, and 4th term, difference is minus the 4th term is means is equals to 20. So the difference between the 8th and the 4th term is equals to what? 20. Now, if I put my 8 here, 8 minus 1 will give me 7. So 7 times d, I'm going to have 7d. So here, my 8th term will now be a plus, all this one will now be 7d. Then minus my 4th term. By putting 4 here, 4 minus 1, we have 3. 3 times that I have d. So we have a plus 3d. See, this is minus, you have to open bracket and close it, equals to 20. Now, a plus 7d, this times this, minus a, then this times this, minus 3d, equals to 20. From here, a minus a plus 7d minus 3d is equals to 20. A minus a, that plus a minus a has cancelled. 7d minus 3d, I have 4d is equals to 20. I have to divide both sides by 4 in order to get my d. To get the value of d, divide by 4, divided by 4. 4 goes in 4, d equals to 5. I've gotten the value of my d to be equals to 5. Now, how do we get our a? So this is question A. Question B, first term of the sequence. So let's go by the second sentence. And the 8th term is, don't forget the meaning of is, equals to, the 8th term is equals to 1 whole number 1 over 2 times the 4th term. The 8th term, U8, is equals to 1 whole number 1 over 2 multiplied by the 4th term. That is, our 8th term from here is a plus 7d is equals to 2 times 1 we have 2 plus 1 we have 3. 3 over 2, let's say multiply by, our 4th term is a plus 3d. A plus 3d. Don't forget, we've gotten at the value of d to be 5. So I have a plus 7 times 5 is equals to 3 over 2 bracket a plus 3 times 5. So I have a plus 7 times 5 is 35 is equals to 3 over 2 bracket a plus 15. From here, I can say a plus 35 over 1 is equals to 3 bracket a plus 15 over 2. So let us cross multiply. From here, 2 we multiply this. I have 2 open brackets a plus 35 equals 1 multiplied by this. I have 3 bracket a plus 15. 2 times a, 2a plus 2 times 35. I have 70 equals to 3 times a, 3a plus 3 times 15. I have 45. So let the unknown comes to the left. 2a, this one is coming here, minus 3a is equals to 45. So this one is going out, minus 70. 2a minus 3, I have minus a equals to 45 minus 70, that is 25. That minus 25. Minus goes in minus, a equals to 25. So this is our question B. My common difference is 5, while my first term is 25. Now, this is another type of question in AP. If you find values in this class, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. Then, let us watch out for our next class, still on arithmetic progression, on some other questions that are more complex. Don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you very much.